Oh my god, Mum, I can't believe you killed Zesty the Orange. I know I did, and I'm proud. Whatever.
As I'm not allowed any alcohol for 2 weeks, Sam, can you go to the beer store and buy me some alcohol-free beer?
Ugh, who needs alcohol free?
Chickens and people who can't drink for whatever reason or another.
Fine, I'm on my way. Hi, Baz.
Hey, Eddie, my man. What can I get for you today?
A crate of Winglet 0% booze of beer, please.
Why, do you want alcohol free?
Dad can't drink for 2 weeks because he passed out after drinking too much.
Okay, that'll be £2.50, please.
Thanks for that, mate.
No problem, man.
There, Winglet 0% booze.
Thanks, son.
Can I have one?
Sure, let me open one, son. Hang on. What's this? Congratulations, you won a place in a new series of CTV's MasterBrain. Come to CTV Studios on the day you get this to be filmed for TV. Enjoy your beer. Jacob Chickinson. What's going on, man? Bert's gunning on MasterBrain. There's no way I can gun on MasterBrain. I'm not that clever in that.
Let's go to CTV Studios.
Yeah, I've always wanted to be on MasterBrain.
Into the chicken mobile.
Wow, I never knew CTV Studios were this nice.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
I won the MasterBrain place with Winglet beer.
Right this way, mate. So, Mr. Chicken Will, what's your specialist subject?
Cockney rhyming slang, governor.
Sounds good to me. Hello, Mr. Jacob Chickinson. This is Bert Chicken Will. He won the place in a new series with Winglet beer.
Hello, Bert. Nice to meet you. I'm Jacob Chickinson, the presenter of MasterBrain. Oh, me old China. So what's your specialist subject going to be? Cockney rhyming slang, son.
Right, we're on in 5 seconds. Take your places.
Hello and welcome to MasterBrain, the show where we ask random people and chickens questions. With us today is Mr. Bert Chickenwolf. Hello everybody! So Bert, your specialist subject is? Cockney rhyming slang, squire. So Bert, how'd you get upstairs to bed? Apples and pears. Correct. Next question. What do you have cut at the barber's? Barnet Fair. Correct. Next question. What do you call your face? Boat race. Correct. Next question. When you go for an Indian, what do you go for? Good old Ruby Murray. Correct. Next question. What do you wear your shoes on? Plates of meat. Correct. Bert Chickenwolf, that's the end of your round. You've scored maximum points. Well done. What have I won then, son? You've won a coveted MasterBrain trophy. Thank you very much, son. I'm out of here. See you later. Thank you, Bert. That was MasterBrain. I'm Jacob Chickinson. Goodbye and have a good evening. Goodbye.
Brilliant show there, Jacob.
Right then, son. Let's go home.
Back to the chicken mobile. Bert, I watched MasterBrain today. You were brilliant.
Thanks, love. I'm knackered now. I'm going to bed. I'll see you at the apples and pears later.
Night, Dad.